Right, we're going to revisit something that happened 10 months ago within the surgery here. I purchased something that has become part of the DNA of this very specialised facility. Yes, just under a year ago I picked up this set, this Parkside screwdriver wall mounted set for less than £9. It came to £8.99 exactly. I'm honestly glad I did. When you buy something that cheaply, you don't expect it to be the best quality in the world. So after 10 months, how has that held up? The convenience that it's added to this facility, it's so close to the bench. I have a range of screwdrivers at my fingertips whenever I need them at any time. And something which is not as common as it should be within this facility, it's very, very organised. It adds an organisation to the range of screwdrivers that I never had before. It's become as essential as a soldering iron that's mounted right next to it. It's on the proper wonder wall of stuff that I need. Sorry about that, this wasn't meant to be a music video. And two of the screwdrivers in this set have provided me with things that are more than useful for two very specific jobs. This is useful with the hexagon 5 on it for taking the bottom off a Bosch 5 kilo demolition hammer, and this T8 security Torx has been brilliant for removing the screws and the circuit boards of Milwaukee batteries. However, this one has experienced severe wear with excessive use and due to the low quality. So what do I do when something like that happens? There's only one solution. I've chosen to upgrade to this TX8 Wera German security Torx, which I think you'll have to admit bears a striking resemblance to the Parkside one. Only the quality will be much more superior. I couldn't get this locally, I had to order from eBay, and I think it had to come from Germany because it was a couple of weeks. But I'm happy. We'll just slot that in there. That's the first casualty of the £8.99 screwdriver set, and that's what I'm going to do. Every time that one fails, it's going to be replaced by a top quality exact equivalent. That one's a little bit shorter, but hey, it's long enough for the job it has to do. That's what she said. And this one is completely beyond its usefulness. So that's all the latest this Sunday morning from the doctor's surgery. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.